Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today I have the Duet 5 Chromebook by Lenovo, and this is my favorite 2-in-1 Chromebook. I love this one. I did a video on this probably about a year ago or so, and this is a great tablet, my go-to tablet. Great separate keyboard here, and it has the stand, just beautiful stuff there. But let me show you what happened. Some sad news here. What happened is we had a little bit of a accident with a child who was using my tablet, and of course it does have a back case on here, which is right here, but a wonderful stand. I love that part, but really no protection offered on that. And it was my mistake to let them use my beautiful tablet. Now it is broken. I tried to fix this with a number of stores, a number of local stores, privately owned. I went to also Best Buy. Basically, no one fixed these things. Best Buy wanted anywhere between $150 to $200. They couldn't give me an exact price on it. And the kicker was I was going to have to be without it for like 6 weeks until they let me know if they could even fix it or not, which was just a crazy thing. Now, I did actually contact Lenovo and just at a last chance see if there's anything they could do for me. They told me I would be able to purchase their insurance. I told them that I have a cracked screen. They said I could purchase the insurance, I could wait 30 days, and then I could submit a claim and try to get this fixed. So I just got the box to send back to them, and they said it would take 10 business days and they should be able to fix it. And I said, well, what happens if they can't fix it? And they said, no problem, we'll take care of it. We'll make it whole and do whatever we need to, which was, this is kind of like the first time that you can get insurance sort of after the fact. So maybe they didn't understand the exact situation and what's going on. So I won't be completely sure until I actually have a tablet that's not cracked in my hands. But I just wanted to show you what the damage was here. Really nice cracks there, and even a little bit of cracks on this side here. Not terribly so, but a little bit, and that might, have some, further damage with, dust and stuff getting in there. I'm not sure. They said they were able to fix it. I described the problem exactly as it was, so we'll see. I'll give you an update and let you know how Lenovo customer service is and how their warranty department works and how everything is. But so far, it's actually been very smooth, and they've been very helpful and very to the point. So I'll let you know. I'll give you an update video, hopefully in about 10 days. Okay, so I just got my Chromebook back from Lenovo. It was actually a little bit long, about 14 or 16 days, I think. But they actually apologized for taking so long, and they extended my warranty by another month. So can't really beat that. Let me see how they did here. So look at this. This is the corner that was all cracked. Perfect. That is amazing. And then we had the other side. This was actually all cracked. And I don't know if they replaced the whole housing or not, but this was all dented, and they fixed it. Oh my goodness. Lenovo, that was amazing. So just to sum up here, I had this Duet 5 tablet. My child cracked the glass. I didn't know what to do with it. I brought it to a bunch of different places, could not get it repaired anywhere. Called Lenovo just kind of on a last ditch effort here, and they said I could apply for a warranty, which is amazing. After the fact, I told them it was cracked. They said you could apply for the warranty. I did. I really didn't believe that I thought they were going to just say, no, this glass is cracked. You misunderstood. We can't fix this. But I applied for the warranty after the fact. I mailed it to them. They sent me a packaging to mail it to them, no charge. They get it. They send it back to me, no charge at all. And they fixed it perfectly. This is really amazing. Only company I know that will give you a warranty after you already told them that you broke it. And they said it did take like 16 days, but they did say since it took so long, they apologized, and they gave me another month of the warranty as compensation, which is awesome. So Lenovo definitely has earned my support. I'll turn this on, make sure it works, and set it all up, but I'm assuming it will. And if it not, I will let you know. But Lenovo, very good marks on the customer service, and they were really helpful, and they gave me a warranty after I told them I already broke it, which is amazing. That can't be like that forever, so that's wonderful. If this video give you any ideas, if you have a Lenovo tablet or a laptop that you broke or cracked or it's not working well, maybe you can give them a call and get the warranty established and get it fixed. That would be great. Please subscribe. This was helpful, and you have a Lenovo product that you think will get fixed. If you do have a product that gets fixed with the warranty and you dealt with the customer service and it was good or bad, put it in the comments and let me know. But for me, honestly, I am ecstatic. I can't believe that they fixed this, because this is my favorite tablet and I love this thing. I will just now keep my child from playing with it. Thanks. See you on the next video.